So hi, this is Neha, as you know, and I am a NIFT graduate. Yeah, I can finally say I am a NIFT graduate, and I am starting this series because you guys ask me so many questions in my comment section, and I reply them. And then it's like another person has the same doubt, so I have to reply them again. So I am starting this series in which I am gonna reply to your comments in like a short video, so that everyone can see and everyone can learn from them. So yeah, so first comment. हाय दी, मुझे जानना था कि निफ्ट की प्लेसमेंट कैसी है एडी ब्रांच की। ओके, सो निफ्ट की प्लेसमेंट पर ऐसा रियल बताती हूँ तुम्हें। आई वुड नॉट से इट्स ग्रेट, इट्स वेरी एवरेज, वेरी एवरेज। सो आउट ऑफ इफ I think 30% student only get play, 30 to 40%, I would say. But I'm not saying कि only this much student gets place, other don't get job. I am saying कि mostly NEFT में students की जो category होती है, उसमें some part of students go to higher studies for masters and all. Some part of students go for private jobs, like private jobs, or you can say the jobs which they want and they want to search because the companies which come in NEFT placement are mass manufacturing kind of companies. So no one likes to work in mass manufacturing wali companies. So they choose themselves not to get like sit in placements. And yeah, and about the payment. So for AD, I would say it's better than FD and TD and others. Less than FC, but yeah, it's better than that. It's around average 6, 7, 8 LPA kind of thing for my year, I'm saying. And for FC, it's quite good. Like they get like highly good packages because they are mostly placed in tech firms or maybe different kinds of firms. So they are like have demand also and they get placed easily. But yeah, for AD it's good. Like it's less than FC, but AD has like placement ka thing. And for in AD also, the people who have chosen jewelry design ka specialization gets the major number of placement ka thing and placement ka offer. And there are more brands related to jewelry. So yeah, this is all about the placement ka thing. So you can ask me questions and I can reply to you too. Okay, bye.